3rd down and 9. Play clock at 1. And Wilson going deep down the left sideline and making the catch is Tyler Lockett in front of the Rams bench. Good coverage by Mike Jordan, the corner, but he threw it to the outside right there, 29 yards, 1st down.
And that's the weak spot right there, coming off of the other side. Mike Jordan, they've had a lot of guys. B.J. Gaines is typically the cornerback over there, but that was a tremendous gutsy throw. That
it is 3rd down and 10. They repaired the knee brace for Wilson. Throws to the outside, and that is Tyler Lockett, who sprung free for a big 1st down from deep in his own territory, and he gets one here.
Well, sometimes the Rams blitz so much they get burned off of it. That time they bring the slot blitzer, so instead of having 3 guys out there to defend the screen, they have 2, and that's what set it up. And a great job by Lockett going for it in that way to pick up that 1st down.
Working on Jordan again, taking the spot of the... Pleaded his case and won it. The ball is at the 8 on a 1st and goal now. And Wilson rolling against the grain, throws, caught, and into the end zone goes Luke Wilson for the touchdown. 93 yards. It took him 13 plays for the game's 1st score.
Nice job there by Wilson, selling the fact that he was blocking first. Coverage folds back to the other people, and well done by Russell Wilson to get it out over the top there. So 2 completely opposite drives. It was the Rams who missed the pass in the end zone, dropped the one that would have been a touchdown down the field, couldn't convert on 4th down.